Meet Kiwi 3, the newest innovation technology solution by PLX Devices, a product that opens up the door to conversation with your car. It's the greatest OBD to smart device interface yet.
We took a whole new approach to a great product and created a clean design. We eliminated the cord, making the Kiwi 3 virtually seamless. We took the idea of plug-and-play technology and developed it a little bit further, making it the fastest connectivity of any OBD device on the market. And we packed all of this in a small package.
Kiwi 3 is as easy as 1-2 with InstaConnect, the first technology of its kind on the market. Simply locate the OBD port under your steering wheel, plug in the Kiwi, and launch your favorite app. Kiwi does the rest. Kiwi 3 allows you to check and reset engine trouble codes, see real-time gauges, measure power, torque, and fuel efficiency. It has a trip computer, GPS mapping with data overlay, data log, and more. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a professional mechanic, or just trying to troubleshoot car problems, Kiwi 3 gives you the power to communicate with your car's engine. Information is empowering, and it's such an important part of the way you experience PLX devices. We wanted to make sure with Kiwi 3 that you're in the driver's seat.
Introducing Pergo. Pergo is a German-engineered, patent-pending, and beautifully designed car air purifier and freshener made with 100% all-natural bamboo charcoal. It's for anyone who wants to transform their driving time into a naturally purified personal oasis. Pergo absorbs and eliminates odor rather than masking it. Bamboo charcoal has been used in many Asian countries for thousands of years to purify both air and water. It's 4 times more porous than regular charcoal, and the pores trap odor particles as air passes through, which purifies the air in your car. Giving you a peace of mind is one of our major objectives, and we're proud to say Pergo is 100% all-natural and non-toxic. It's fragrance and allergen-free, and asthma and allergy-friendly. The charcoal is safe even if ingested. Pergo works 24/7 passively and lasts more than 365 days in your car. It's the world's longest-lasting car air freshener. For comparison, common brands last less than 45 days on average. Finally, Pergo is responsibly made. Bamboo is one of the most renewable natural resources in the world and can grow as much as 40 feet in just a few months. Hemp, which is the fabric used on the outside, grows without pesticides and requires half the amount of water compared to cotton. When you're done with Pergo, the bamboo charcoal inside can be used as a rich and natural fertilizer for your garden or plants.
These are your tasks for today. 2 hours to destination.
This is Blue Fox requesting permission to take off.
Permission granted. Godspeed, Blue Fox.
Roger that. No, come on! Oh, crap!
Wait a minute. Let's rewind. For years, you've prepared for battle. Press this, press that, buckle up, check that thing, look right, now left, turn that on, no, better off, focus, look out. Exhausting. If only there was something to make life easier. And hell, why not fun? Well, good news. After long months of brainstorming and endless prototyping, we are proud to present Radiomize. Radiomize is the ultimate driving companion. Fitting all steering wheels, it immediately turns any car into a connected car.
How? Like, what does it do?
What doesn't it do? Radiomize streams personalized music and news into your car without you ever taking your hands off the wheel. It learns what you like and delivers it. The cool app that comes with Radiomize also lets you manually pick music and news genres. So goodbye Uzbekistani reggae, so long boring commute, and hello drive-tainment.
Nice.
Then there's the pesky matter of messaging. When an important text or social message comes in, Radiomize reads it aloud, letting you focus on driving.
Honey, I bought you that special rash cream you asked for.
How do I use it?
It's already at your fingertips. Touch of a button, done. No effort, no distractions. Which brings us to safety. Radiomize not only frees your eyes and hands to do the driving, but also monitors your speed, careless driving monitor, and more.
It's almost as if it were the ultimate driving...
Companion. Yeah, we told you that.
No, I'm pretty sure I came up with that one.
Seriously? It was like a minute ago.
Okay, anyway, can I have one?
Sure, it's yours.
Sweet!
Hey, Tiger, you still need your glasses. Maybe you should just put them on. Radiomize, the new driving experience. And just to be clear, we're the ones who came up with that.
Did you know that GPS satellite tracking has the ability to bring value to your business? Links Up GPS enables you to track your vehicles outside the office and offers many other capabilities. With Links Up GPS, you are able to locate your vehicles anytime and anywhere, dispatch the nearest worker to a customer in need, accurately track and report on mileage, and better fuel management use by reducing engine idle time. Only a few short years ago, using GPS to track vehicles required $1,000 black boxes and professional installation. Today, Links Up GPS gives you a tracking solution that's incredibly easy to use, requires no professional installation, and is available at one low price. The Links Up GPS tracking device installs in seconds by plugging into the OBD port under the dash of your car or truck. Once installed, you can use the Links Up GPS web system to locate your vehicles 24/7. Setup is a snap. Just name your device and set up any alerts that you want to receive. You get an intuitive Google Maps interface, easy to set up alerts on vehicle activity, and a suite of insightful reports. We even give you mobile software so you can check on the latest information on each car or truck, even when you're not close to a computer. Links Up GPS has been developing GPS tracking solutions for more than 10 years, and during that time, our customers have taught us the features that they want most. We keep our solution incredibly easy to use, and that means that you don't have to be a software engineer just to track your vehicles. Links Up GPS serves thousands of satisfied customers and tracks millions of driver miles each and every month. So what are you waiting for? Isn't it time you brought the power of GPS tracking to your business? Links Up GPS, affordable, reliable, and easy to use.